In this video, I'd like to talk about what makes for a good chart or a good display. And so, if you take a quick look here, one key component is consistency. It's really key that your spacing, your tick marks, your dots, whatever you're working with is consistent. That makes for a good display. Also, you need to choose an appropriate type. So if you're working with categorical data, you want to use a category type display like a pie chart, a bar graph, maybe a real graph or a pictograph. If you're working with numerical data, you're probably going to want to work with a dot plot or a histogram, stem and leaf, line graph, or scatter plot, depending on what your data looks like. Another important idea is to follow the chart conventions. So if you have a pictograph, you really need to use the same picture throughout. Again, we're tying back to consistency. For histograms, you need to use the same size bins or bucket size, and you don't want to overlap. So if I'm looking at the number of students, you want to go up consistently each time. Again, you see we're tying back to consistency. And a scatter plot or a line graph, you really want your independent variable on the x-axis off, and this is time, but not always. So just a few things for making good tables.